at that. That street light's on too, and it's like 5. It's not even close to being dark yet. I'm gonna go check it out here out in the rain. This ain't gonna hurt my phone, hopefully. Look at that. Did you see that right there? Holy crap. Man, I'm getting soaked too. Look down there. It's crazy. This is not the storm you want to be out in when it's raining like this. Look right down there where all those branches were at right when we drove my bike through there. Oh my God, it's thundering like crazy out here. You won't believe it. Your flash is on, by the way, Connor. Look at that down there. Oh, my phone. Freak. Watch out. My phone. I gotta get it dried off. Okay. That should be better. Alright. I got the camera fixed. You hear that? Crazy loudness. Rain is like freaking a hurricane almost. Let's walk up behind the house real quick. I'd like to take you out over that way and stuff. That's where the main storm's at. So we're just getting most of it halfway. It's only halfway through. That crap is crazy too. You get worse, you're soaked. The car made it back just in time before it started pouring down. It's thundering pretty good. Look at that. That's some crazy storm right here. Connor, let's go. It was dark, you could actually see the lightning, but it's not so dark right now. Look at this. Crap's coming down like a big puddle. Come on, let's take a walk behind the house. Come on. You can watch us when we get done. I ain't seeing no water so far in the ditch back that way. It just fills up like a big flood or something. That down there. Filled to the top with water on the road. It's flooded right there. That happens sometimes anyways. If that car is under that roof right there, it is soaked right now. My phone just keeps messing up, getting all wet. So. That bike needs a good washing anyways, it doesn't matter. And this porch is soaked. It's a nice day. So now, we're riding our bike, looked over, there's a huge rain cloud storm coming. Huge storm. Right there. It may look bright, but it's not that bright. Oh God, Connor, there's a huge puddle down there on that road. Flooded down there on that road down there. Oh my God. There's like sheets of rain coming off these houses. It's crazy. First is a huge wind. Whoa! See that? That's gonna be loud. There went another strike.